In this quick video, I'll show you how to set up and solve a question involving linear models. This is question number 4. The question reads, a clinic is in the process of processing a new thermometer. Company A sells the thermometer for $4,000 and charges an additional $2 for each use. Company B sells the thermometer for $3,200 and charges an additional $3 for each use. How many uses are required for the total cost to be equal? To answer this question effectively, we have to model each company using its own equation. So starting with company A, we are told that there is an initial cost of $4,000, which will represent your y-intercept, your b value, and an additional $2 for each use. This represents the rate. So if we were to represent this using y is equal to mx plus b, where y represents the cost, and x represents the number of uses, and m represents the rate, whereas b represents the initial cost, we would end up with the following. Y is equal to $2 times x, the number of uses, plus 4,000. Now what this means as well, in case you didn't see it this way, is that if you buy this thermometer and never use it, you still pay that initial $4,000 cost. Now company B, the competitor, is doing something a little bit different. They have their initial cost at $3,200. So y is equal to their rate of $3 per use plus $3,200. So if you don't plan on using this thermometer too often, this is probably the best deal for you. They are asking us how many uses are required for the total cost to be the same. To find this out, what we'll have to do is either use elimination or substitution to find out our x value. So what we can do is we can substitute the content of this y into here. So essentially we'll be using substitution, and if we do that, we end up with 3x plus 3,200 is equal to 2x plus 4,000. To solve this, what we will do next is bring this over and that over. We want all the terms with variables on one side and all the constants on the other side. So 3x, this will remain the way it is. Bringing this over makes this negative. So we have 3x minus 2. And on the right side, we have 4,000 minus 3,200. Bringing this over makes it negative. On the right side, we have 800. And on the left side, we have x. So this means that after 800 uses, these two companies, the cost will be the same. In some cases, this is referred to as the break-even point. So to answer this question, 800 uses are required for the total cost to be equal. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support our channel by subscribing or by liking this video. If you have any further questions, you may visit our website at studyforce.com. We're an online service for students seeking free homework help. See you soon.